Cedar Creek is dedicated to enhancing the joy of the outdoors and your peace of mind by building better quality recreational fifth wheel and wide body destination travel trailers designed to endure rugged road conditions and the ever-changing weather. Cedar Creek's 125,000 square foot manufacturing facility was built specifically for the Cedar Creek line of products and employs over 135 people. Each unit takes approximately 3 days start to finish in the state-of-the-art facility. With so many options available, why purchase a Cedar Creek? Simple. It's construction. Each Cedar Creek is built from the ground up by our dedicated production team, designed with serviceability in mind and without the use of purchased laminated sidewalls. Next, let's talk about the most important part of any recreational vehicle, the suspension and the axles. Cedar Creek uses the Dexter Advantage Safety and Performance Package. Dexter is the leading manufacturer of trailer axles and brakes, with a proven commitment to quality and safety since 1960. On top of our Dexter suspension is a 12-inch I-beam with a continuous 2-inch additional tube weld underneath for added strength. Cedar Creek's Z-frame design is a unique frame that provides over 100 cubic feet of extra front storage space and a flat floor design. Each frame also includes our one-of-a-kind ABS impact-resistant weatherproof underbelly with a sectional design. This allows for easy access without affecting the integrity of the frame or creating areas where rust can develop. After installation of the underbelly, an R38 Radiant Shield thermofoil layer is installed, along with 2 layers of R7 residential glass wool insulation into the floor and underbelly. Individual 12-volt large surface heating pads are installed on all tanks for all-season camping. Notice the tripod the frame is riding on? The purpose of the tripod is to build flex into every unit. This practice ensures a level coach each and every time and creates a tighter fit and finished frame for you. Our famous aluminum superstructure starts with our 2-inch by 3-inch handmade aluminum substrate on 16-inch centers. Our floor is enclosed with a 5/8-inch tongue and groove plywood floor that is bonded to the aluminum substrate with a Siloprene super adhesive and then screwed down every 6 inches into the aluminum frame. Cedar Creek's roof, sidewalls, and floors are the best in the RV industry, and here's why. At Cedar Creek, our units are made with 2x2-inch 16-inch on-center frames, just like your home. Each wall is designed to absorb road stress as it travels down the road. Our exterior shells are made of true high-gloss gel coat, truly the best of the best in fiberglass. This top-of-the-line exterior ensures that Cedar Creek units will age gracefully with time and are much easier to repair if needed. Don't be fooled by newer, fiberglass-reinforced plastic gel-coated exteriors. Only Cedar Creek's true gel coat retains its color as it ages and remains our customer's first choice for lasting beauty. Every experienced RV customer needs a reliable climate control system to keep their camper comfortable all year round. Cedar Creek circular ducting ensures uniform cooling during the hot summer months with a full 8-inch wide racetrack duct system. This provides more ducted airflow compared to our competitors' 5-inch wide ducts. All Cedar Creek RVs feature Coleman's high-performance climate control air conditioning units, which circulate 30% more air into the coach compared to a standard 15,000 BTU air unit. Sealing cold air returns create a more efficient residential system. With dual zone controls, you can rest easy that you have the coolest system available in RV living. At Cedar Creek, our roof is constructed using aluminum trusses. This ensures maximum strength and protection compared to our competitors' wood roof trusses. When constructing our roofs, triple layered insulation is installed and wrapped underneath the front cap. Next, a full-length 3/8-inch wood roof decking is applied for a full walk-on roof. Notice that our roofs are screwed, not stapled into place like some of our competitors. Our final step is adding the PVC roof membrane that has a built-in fire retardant and 20-year warranty. Midway through the manufacturing process, 100-pound air pressure tests are done on all the gas and water lines. This ensures that all of the utility lines are installed properly as the unit is being assembled. All slide rooms and 6-point leveling jacks are tested right on the production line to ensure that each unit is in proper working order. This process also eliminates air bubbles within the hydraulic lines. We also water pressure test each unit, filling the coach with water as it moves down the production line. During the final finish process, air pressure is applied into each unit to ensure that all windows and doors are sealed properly. Once they are finished, Cedar Creek units are also put through Forest River's pre-delivery inspection facility on a weekly basis. This state-of-the-art facility gives immediate feedback to our production team to ensure that every Cedar Creek they build is of the highest quality. Now you can see why Cedar Creek is the smart choice for the experienced RVer. We have taken every step to ensure that you not only have an RV that will last a very long time, but one that will provide you all of the comfort and convenience of home you expect on the road. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit forestriverinc.com/Cedar Creek.